Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see the payment status was updated from negotiable to cleared since we have reconciled the bank statement with system transaction. So the payment status has to be changed. Click on payables, click on payments, click on task list or task pane. Now click on manage payments. Now search for your supplier, ERPZEN, Dell supplier. Since these are not reconciled with cash management, the payment status is negotiable. Since this is reconciled with cash management, the payment status you can see it was updated from negotiable to cleared. This is how you have to check by going into manage payments. Click on done. Click on home. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.